So hey guys, welcome to the new video. Today in this video we are going to see that how can you install pandas in your PC for your project purposes. So pandas is a Python based library. For that you will be needing Python and VS Code installed in your system. Then open VS Code in your desired folder. Let me open my VS Code. Let's wait for few seconds. Now you have to create a virtual environment here for your project specific purpose. Click here and then show and run commands and create environment venv and then select the Python. Select the Python version. So it is being created. Let's wait for a few seconds. Here you can see the logs here. But let's wait for some seconds. So yeah, our virtual environment is successfully created. Now just you have to open your terminal and then new terminal. There must be a pop-up which is showing Python virtual environment was successfully activated. Then only you have to start working on your project because this is necessary for your project dependencies. Okay, then you have to type pip install pandas. This will take some seconds. So yeah, pandas is getting installed. Till then you can create a new file named as test.py. Let's wait for pandas installation. It is almost installed. I will pause the video. Okay, there is no need to pause the video. Then go in your test.py and check for its import. If import does not have any yellow line under pandas, that means your virtual environment has successfully installed your pandas. If there is a yellow line, that means your installation is not correct. Okay, let's check if we have installed it correctly or not. Import pandas. So yeah, it is correctly installed because there is no yellow line under this pandas as PD. So here VS Code is reflecting no error in this pandas library. That means we have successfully installed this, and now you can start working on your project. So yeah guys, that's all for this video. Now let's see you next time.